Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Bennie, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another video. And today we're just going to be watching NFP. If you guys don't know about NFP, it comes out typically. It's scheduled to come out on the first Friday of every month. All right, and it is the non-farm payroll, and it basically shows us the reflection of the unemployment rate that comes out uh, for the U.S. as well as some Canadian. So um, what I have here, I'm taking a look at. We're gonna see if we typically get some type of volatility. And again, it is scheduled to come out around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the first Friday of every month. Sometimes it does not, depend upon if a holiday is about or not. So, but typically you will see individuals trying to trade this, trying to basically trade the they try to trade they basically try to predict the market. All right, and I've been on something lately, and that has been, we're trying to get the market to react to us instead of us reacting to the market. And a lot of times that's why I'm not profitable. That's why you're not profitable. That's why so many Forex traders are not profitable, because you're trying to get the market to react to you. All right, and we have to stop that train of thought. Okay, we have to change our mentality and our mindsets when it comes to that. We have to understand that we don't have to catch the whole move in order to be profitable. All right, so stop trying to get the market to react to you, and you start reacting to the market. All right, meaning you wait for the market to make its move, and you confirm the move that it has made, and then you want to get in and trade. All right, the Forex market is not a market for gamblers. Yes, you see these guys on social media flipping these accounts really quickly. I mean, in a matter of minutes, putting in $5, and these crazy lot sizes. And starting out my Forex journey, I was drawn to that, and I was drawn to that. But over the years, I've just learned to react to the market. All right, that's when I'm most profitable. All right, now that doesn't mean that you're gonna get every single trade correct, but that's when I'm most profitable. Okay, so yeah, we're just taking a look just to see what's going on. It's 8:31 now. I'm gonna take a look at Forex Factory just to see if see what the release was. All right, 8:30. Yeah, doesn't look like we didn't get any movement this go round. I should have went down to the lower time frames. That's what I meant to do. My apologies. Yeah, nothing. It's very interesting. It's nothing crazy came out. Yeah, that's very weird that it did. But hey, that's a good thing if you're holding some trades. So that's pretty good. Let's check the 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it could take a while for it to happen and to take place, but you guys who are experienced Forex traders, you guys know exactly what it is that I'm talking about. Sometimes you get sometimes we get those those high volatility moves. So yeah, this is pretty good. Let me take a look at one thing. I want to take a look at the S&P 500. If you guys have been following my stream or my videos, you see me scalping the S&P 500. Yeah, I was really expecting for, we'll do 1 cent, not 1 cent, we'll do 10 cent. But I was really expecting for, that's the 5 minute. What's the 1 minute looking like? Oh yeah, the 1 minute is already done this thing. See, 5 minutes has another. Yeah, so I was really expecting for some high movement out of NFP, but we did not get that. So on with the show, right? So I have a video that I will be releasing. I mean, we are seeing, like, some movement here. Do I have them all in the 5 minute? Yeah, I have them all in the 5 minute. I will be releasing a video that I recorded yesterday, and it's basically how to make $24 an hour trading Forex. All right, and so I'm doing these to encourage you guys who you have 9 to 5s. I'm doing this to help and to show you guys that Forex can possibly change your or not change, but take the place of your income. All right, and so it's very possible that can take place. All right, it's very possible that it can do that. And then also, if you couple it with, I call them hustles, but that's just me and my terminology. Okay, if you couple them with other business ventures, all right, if you couple trading Forex with other business ventures, you can do well for yourself and not necessarily have to report to a boss or a job, but owning your own business, you answer to your customers and your clients. And so me personally, I'd prefer to answer to my customers and my clients than a boss or job, because oftentimes you put your all in those jobs, and it can ruin you. Having to put on your application, having to put on your resume that you were fired. So yeah. So I recorded that video yesterday, and I'm going to release it. I also detail my scalping strategy, share with you guys my entry rules and things of that nature, for you guys to take a look at. So I'm testing some things out with my workflow template, not the actual trading style, but with the template. That's why you guys you see me here scalping at a low lot size, because I want to test some things out. I've added these color changing candles to help you guys better to visualize when you should be getting in the market and getting out of the market. I added some extra exhaust indicators to help you to better choose those points in the market that you want to get in. into the market. So it's really only two things that I've changed, and whenever I change up like that, I always test it for about a month. All right, that's really all you need. Just you test it for I test it for about a month, and before I release it to the trading community. So um, that's one thing about me. That's one thing that I try my best to do, and that is making sure that the community members are well equipped. Okay, as long as you're a part of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, I'm going to be looking out for you. Okay, so I'll release that video. So if you guys make $24 an hour or know of someone who makes $24 an hour, make sure you share that video with them. If you don't make $24 an hour and you know of people who don't make $24 an hour, I want you to also share that video with them, because I want you guys to see the potential in trading Forex. All right, when you have the proper knowledge, of course. And I say this, and I admit I beat the dead horse, but when you have the proper knowledge of market structure, cycle, and manipulation, you can be profitable. And of course, that is that is umbrellaed by patience, and is also um, founded on patience. Okay, so meaning let patience be your foundation, and also let patience be the thing that covers your trading. Okay, so market structure, market cycle, market manipulation, which is founded on patience and covered by patience, that is going to equal profitability. Okay, so and you can do pretty well, all right, with that. So again, I was hoping to that NFP would give us a big spike and we'll get some excitement out of it this month, but it doesn't look like it's going to give us that. So, and let's just take another quick look. Yeah, it really didn't. It did not. Here's gold. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at gold. Gold has been on a boom here lately. Even if you take a look, let's take a look. Let's take a look at it on the weekly. Like, let's just take a look at gold on the weekly. All right. So on the weekly, here's our point here. Here's our point of rise here. I'm thinking that gold is going to give us a little bit of a retracement, if not a reversal. Let's see, where is this? So let's take a look right here. For gold, you're looking at the $1,923 as the highest here, and that was on September 4th, 2011. And so from September 4th, 2011 all the way to November 29th, 2015. All right, a 4-year span. Okay, a little over 4-year span. Gold was dropping. All right, and it dropped a good 8,759 pips. You're trading that over a dollar. At a dollar, you're looking at almost $8,800. All right, and I'm sure it could have been compounding, right? And me personally, I think, now I don't know how much it will run down, but I'm just thinking, this is just my thoughts. Now, I'm not trying to get the market to react to me. I react to the market. But my thoughts are gold to be coming down at least in the area of, what is that, $1,550. Okay, around that price point, in between there. And here, this is what I would do. I would say gold could possibly, all right, this is just possibly come down to anywhere between 1575 and, what is that, 1525. All right, anywhere between here. Let me draw this in for you guys. All right, I skipped that one, but I'm gonna go here. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking gold is going to come I want to change this. Here, give me 1 second, guys. I want to change that really quick. Let's see. That's not it. Not that one. Oh my goodness. Should have been that one. Give me 1 second. Let me see. Do it that way. That is strange. I was hoping to do this where you guys could see it, but hopefully you can see it. You guys can. Oh, there it is. All right, I found it. Let's. I'll leave it that color for right now. And so let's see. So this is the point here that we had that major turnaround, okay, because the market was shooting down here. All right, and it's just by coincidence that my indicators are matching up with that. I'm joking, it's not coincidence. That's what the indicators do. Okay, all right, so we're talking about a retracement down to the 23% level on the Fibonacci. That would be great. But that's based off of the weekly. So come down to the 4-hour, which is my time frame that I love. It looks like gold could be making a double top here. Oh, that's the Fibonacci level. So okay, yeah, that's our Fibonacci level that we just made. Let me try. Oh, you know what? I forgot all about. I forgot all about this. Man, we're looking good. I'm supposed to be testing that out. That's exactly why I use the small lot size, because I would get distracted trying to explain this to you guys. Give me 1 second. See if we got any comments. No comments. So good. Okay. So yeah, it looks like gold could be making a double top. Let's change this over to the regular candles. And let's do this. Yeah, there. Trying to make it so you guys can can possibly see this a little better. All right. I know some of you guys are used to, green candles being the bullish candles and the red candles being the bearish candles, but I kind of like how that's looking to me right now. So 1 second, let's change these. Okay. So this is a prime example of waiting for the market to do its thing. Now, of course, I would wait for market structure and cycle and manipulation to take place. But just glancing at this, it looks like a pretty viable double top reversal. All right. Let's check our accumulation levels. Let's see if we have any. No accumulation levels. It's just really, it's reacting to price and structure. We have a structure over here. Okay, we have a structure over here that is reacting to, and then we also have this 1700 price point that the market did not want to go up into. So let's check that down to the back to the 4 hours. So and I'm gonna put our regular candles on here. So yeah, it looks like gold is coming into a possible double top reversal on based on the 4 hour. I'm sure the 1 hour I'm gonna get a little bit more noise, but you have this engulfing reversal candle coming in off of the 1 hour. We got about 8 more minutes. It's very possible that you could take this trade here. As far as your pattern, if you know your patterns, of course use proper account risk management. So I wouldn't immediately get in on that. You don't want to just trade the pattern. All right, you don't want to just trade the candlestick, really, is what I'm saying. But you want to wait for confirmation. So a really simple way to get confluence is using your trend lines. So let's say, for instance, we try to come from here. All right. So here is our overall trend line. All right. And so what I'd like to do is I like to make those green. All right. And I'm going to thicken it so you make sure you guys can see it. To the second thickness. Okay. That would be like the overall. Okay. And then from there, what I would do is draw on a more aggressive trend line. So it will be something like this, and I like to make those red. Okay, and so for instance, I will wait for this to completely close below this. All right, I probably wouldn't have it. I wouldn't have that thickness. Of course, the thickness I'm just showing, or I'm just doing for you guys. But you wait for it to close below this, okay, and retest. All right, and the next 1 hour candle could retest this. You drop down to the 15 minute. Okay, you may be able to get in sooner, because now what you see is there's already on the 15 minute there's already has been a break. Okay, and so you will wait for the market to come back to retest. All right, and so the retestment could align itself with the trend line here. Okay, also can align itself with this itty bitty zone that was created right here. Okay, all right, there's a zone. Okay, that the retest could align itself with. Our EMA could come down. Okay, and give us some more confluence here. All right. What else? And this is on the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, we can already see where gold has made a double top up to this level. Okay. But it has actually came into this supply area here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 4 times it has wicked off of this supply area. All right, and so again, this could be an early entry. All right, now we do see where price is wicking. Price is wicking at this zone here. Okay, which is also a support. This is this is resistance. If I said anything different, I meant resistance. And so it's wicking off of this support area. So just trying to get strength to push through here. All right, and so we would love to see again for this to be broken and then come back up to retest. Okay, it may not come back up to retest the trend line. It may only come up to retrace or to retrace back and to retest this little zone here, which also happens to be on a quarter point, the 1,675 quarter point. So we would love for that to take place there. Even if we come to the 5 minute, okay, we can come down to the 5 minute and see the same thing. You guys see how my indicators are matching up very well with these reversals. Okay, I'm more of a reversal trader. I can do trend continuation, but I'm more of a reversal trader. So we have the overall picture, right? The overall picture is, hey, we're thinking that this thing is going to drop down a little bit for us. And so even when you come to the 5 minute, all right, you can see where our indicator is showing us that, hey, the market is going to turn. Now, this may not be a long term because, again, these my indicators show exhaustion points, okay, and these exhaustion points can, they could last 1 minute. It varies on the time frame that you want to trade on. All right, and then also I'll just say that it varies on the time frame, but we see here where we're set to get that retracement back up to these areas that I pointed out on the 15 minute and on the 1 hour. So let's take a look at that S&P. Yeah, it still shows up. So yeah, I'm sorry. I know we were supposed to be watching NFP, but If ever I get a chance to share the little bit of knowledge that I have, I definitely want to um, share that with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and let you guys go. Just keep in mind, again, don't stop trying to make the market react to you and you react to the market. Again, you don't have to have the whole move in order to be profitable. What you want to do is be able to collect profit and compound your account. Okay, so what if there was an extra $10,000 that you could have gotten? That's not the name of the game. The name of the game is longevity. The name of the game is time freedom. Okay, that's our goal. Our goal is time freedom, because if we have time freedom, then inevitably you have financial freedom. All right. Now that is for individuals who are not lazy and who are not making bad decisions in life, because I know that you can be unemployed and not necessarily saying that it's your fault that you're unemployed. But you could be unemployed and have time freedom and not have financial freedom. I understand that. But I'm saying that um, I'm speaking to intelligent individuals. All right. I'm speaking to intelligent individuals that when we have time freedom, then inevitably we have financial freedom. All right. So minus, excluding the time that you're going to need to trade Forex, you have your time freedom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you guys have not done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please make sure that you click the bell notification icon. Okay, so you can be notified whenever I go live or post a new video. So again, I post these videos to inspire you guys and to show you guys that it's the possibilities of Forex. You guys, looking at this 15-minute chart as well, I see a little bit of I see a head and shoulder that could possibly form. So we may get a retracement all the way back to this zone here. All right, it could get a retracement all the way back to this zone to complete the head and shoulders, or down here. I'm probably gonna let you guys go, but I'm just hoping that maybe it's something that I'm sharing that will unlock some things for you guys. So possibly up in this area. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. So and that's on the 15-minute chart. We really didn't see that on the hour chart, I don't think. Yeah, we didn't see I mean, it's possible. You have a left shoulder, head, possibly, right shoulder over here. So on the 4-hour, not so much, other than, we have our double top. I know you guys made, you market maker method traders, you see the big M here. So so that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Always remember, again, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And if you like the content that I'm releasing to you guys, please help me out by subscribing to the channel and also liking the video and sharing the videos with your people. I also shared in my video that I pre-recorded yesterday that what I've decided to do is, once my YouTube channel gets monetized and I receive my first monetization check, no matter what the amount is, I'm going to release all of my training for free. All right. So now I will not be I won't be mentoring, of course, but all of my knowledge in a training package I'm going to release on this YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to release that, put it in a playlist. All right, and I'm going to release that for you guys. All right, because I really do want to give back. I really do want to help out and be a catalyst for change. So that's what I'm going to do. Once my YouTube channel is monetized and I receive my first monetization check, I'm going to release the training for free, and then I also will be giving or doing giveaways as well. So in order to be monetized, I need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I have the 4,000 hours of watch time, okay, and this all needs to be done in the same year. I have the 4,000 um, um, I have the 4,000 minutes, excuse me, of watch time. Um, so we just have to get our subscribers up. Okay. Um, my video on adding the TDI indicator to the MetaTrader 4, that has over 3,800 views by itself, and a bunch of you guys liked it at 70 likes, 34 comments. So I'm not thinking about the haters, of course. So that video alone is helping us out. So if you guys could, if you have not subscribed, if you want to help out, if you want to be a good Samaritan, just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm not scamming you guys. I'm coming to you guys, giving you guys pure trading knowledge. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in. I pray again that this has blessed you. Pray that this has encouraged you in some type of way. Always remember the risks that are involved in trading Forex. There's risk involved in any type of investment, but only trade money that you can afford to lose. And of course, I know that that is an oxymoron. All right, who can afford to lose any money? But only trade that money that you have set aside for trading. All right, please don't set aside your rent money. Don't set aside any bill money. Don't do that. Okay. But set aside money. Maybe the money that you typically would use to eat lunch with. Save all of that. Save half of that. If you're a Christian, fast that day. And just save your money so you're able to get in on this. So we're seeing a powerful retracement here. Maybe the news, it's just pretty high volatility. But again, you got that head and shoulders. The head and shoulders could be forming. All right. We talked about it coming back up to retest these levels. All right. It could be coming to test the valley of this big M right here. Okay. That's what I call it. I call it the valley. I know it's called the apex or something like that. Something they call it. But yeah, it came all the way up here. It's retesting this right now. Retesting our EMA. Retesting the trend line, retesting the zone. So all these are areas that we knew that, hey, the market could be turning around. Retesting this quarter point, we knew that. And so that's why, again, you want to react to the market, right? So you just think about those people who saw this M forming up here and they got in, they got in here because this is, they got in on this thinking that the market was gonna just shoot all the way down. Let's say they could have came in full potential of 199 pips there, or let's say they took their 50 pips. Hopefully they got their 50 pips and they got out, because right now it's pulling back on them. And depending upon the strength of their account, they may be able to withstand this pullback, right? Because I really do think that this is simply a pullback, because I do think it's going to drop. That's just my thoughts. That's, of course, we react to the market. The market doesn't react to us. So I'm not predicting. That's just my thoughts. All right. Those are just my thoughts. But yeah. All right, guys. Let's go. Let me let you go. All right. Let me let you go. I need to go take care of some stuff. So always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And I appreciate you guys so much for your continued support. Until next time, happy pip fishing, and you guys stay blessed. Bye-bye.